Welcome back to Love Vegan, and this week we'll be making a spicy fried rice. The ingredients this week is onion, red pepper, spring onion, some green cabbage, some chilies, garlic, dark soy sauce, mushroom sauce, and some pre-cooked rice. If you can, cook your rice the night before. To a pan, add a little oil, medium heat, add chopped garlic and chilies, and then fry for a couple of minutes to release the flavour. Add onions and fry lightly. Add your green cabbage and your red pepper, and then just fry for another minute. Next, add your mushroom sauce, dark soy sauce, and then continue to stir fry over a medium heat for a few more minutes. Next up, add your rice. As I mentioned before, it's much better if you can cook the rice the night before. If it's just fresh cooked rice, it tends to be a little sticky. And then stir fry until everything is cooked. Add your spring onions, and at this point you can taste test to see if you need to add any more sauce. And then just dish up into a bowl. Now you can either serve in a bowl like this with some other dishes as a spicy fried rice for people to share, or you can serve plated as a rice mountain with another dish. As you can see, this dish is super simple to make. It's really tasty. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Love Vegan.